Pathology in heat. Heat. The term heat is generally used with at least two different meanings. On one hand, heat is a general term that includes many manifestations characterized by heat, which may be interior heat, exterior wind heat, or fire. In this sense, fire comes under the general umbrella of heat. In a more narrow definition, heat denotes a pathogenic factor that is differentiated from fire. Although heat and fire share many common characteristics and the same nature, these two pathogenic factors differ in the degree of intensity. Fire is more intense than heat, and their clinical manifestations and treatments are somewhat different. From this point of view, therefore, heat is a different and separate from fire. There is another important terminology difference between heat and fire. While heat always denotes pathological heat, the term fire can denote the physiological fire of the body, the minister fire, or the fire of the gate of life, or pathological fire as in liver fire. In the Yellow Emperor Classics of Internal Medicine, the physiological fire of the body is sometimes called lesser fire, or the Shan Wu, and the pathological fire, exuberant fire, Shang Hu. Heat, pathological, fire, the internal dryness, and pathological, exuberant fire. Heat, therefore, denotes a state of excess yang. It may affect practically every organ, and it is either internally generated or the transformation of external heat. The main internal causes of heat are emotional strain and diet. As described above, all emotional can give rise to qi stagnation, and this in return often leads to heat as stagnant qi implodes, generating heat. The general clinical manifestation of heat are in a feeling of heat, red face, thirst, mental restlessness, red tongue, and an overflowing rapid pulse. Other clinical manifestations depend on the organ involved and whether it is full or empty heat. The general manifestations of heat are a feeling of heat, red face, thirst, mental restlessness, red tongue, and an overflowing rapid pulse. Other clinical manifestations depend on the organ involved and whether it is full or empty. Heat frequency combines with dampness, giving rise to damp heat, which is the source of many clinical manifestations in many different organs and places of the body. A feeling of heat, red face, thirst, mental restlessness, red tongue, overflowing rapid pulse. Other clinical manifestations depend on the organ involved and whether it is full or empty heat. Thank you for your attention.